toilet bowl slowly losing water with no visible leaks? Here's how to track down hidden toilet leaks, stop water waste, and avoid big plumbing headaches at home. Okay, so first thing, turn off the water supply to your toilet and wait a bit to see what happens with the water level in the bowl. If it drops, but you don't see water on the floor, you probably have a sneaky leak either inside the toilet or below it where you can't see. Sometimes there's a hairline crack in the porcelain or an old wax ring that's just letting water sneak out underneath, so you gotta check for that. Feel around the base of the toilet for moisture or that weird squishy feeling underfoot, even if the floor looks dry. If you're up for it, take off the toilet from the flange, that's the ring at the floor, and check the gasket and flange for damage or signs of leaking. If you see anything sketchy, like cracks, worn gaskets, or rust, swap them out before putting everything back together. Also, if the bowl is draining out but the tank is fine, it's less likely to be a flapper issue and more likely something is cracked or leaking where you can't see. Always make sure everything is sealed up tight when you reinstall the toilet so you don't end up with an even bigger mess later. And hey, if you're not feeling confident yanking a toilet up by yourself, calling a pro could save you a lot of hassle and gross surprises. One of the most common toilet leak troubleshooting mistakes is ignoring slow leaks because there's no obvious puddle. Hidden toilet leaks can cost homeowners hundreds of dollars in wasted water and higher utility bills, so always trust your gut if something feels off. Another big issue is not replacing a damaged wax ring during a repair. If the seal between your toilet and floor flange is shot, you'll keep getting leaks and maybe even water damage in your bathroom subfloor. A third mistake is just tightening bolts without checking for hairline cracks in the bowl itself. Those tiny cracks can let water out without leaving any obvious clues, so always inspect closely and replace the toilet if needed to avoid recurring issues. BigHomeProjects.com makes it super easy for homeowners to find trusted local plumbers and contractors who actually show up and get the job done right. If you're a contractor looking to get more work in your area, BigHomeProjects.com connects you with real people who need help right now, so everyone wins.